Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to see how we can view our leads data once we start running our lead gen campaigns, where we can locate this data and then eventually we can download as well from. So let's have a look at this. So once we are inside the account, we can go inside the campaign group where we can find all the campaigns. So this is our campaign, the leads campaign, which we had created. Now we want to see the data for this. If you see here, you will be able to find it in the leads column. So to get this leads column, you can come to performance, and in performance, we can choose those specific columns out here. Okay. So from here, if you choose conversions and leads, then the leads column comes up, as you can see right here, and the data will show up out here. So this way you can locate your leads data in the campaigns. You will know what kind of leads have you generated from each of your campaigns. Now, if you want to download this data, then we can come to assets. On the left panel, you have assets where we can come to lead generation forms. So this is the form which we had created. If you remember in the previous video, we had created this particular form, which you can select now, and you have an option to download it. So once you click on download, it will get downloaded in a CSV file, and then you can access the details from there. So this is how we can access our leads, which we have generated with the help of our lead gen campaigns. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the complete process now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.